Hey guys, quick video here. I just wanted to show you why is it important to check your air filter and then replace it when needed. So this is the old filter, this is obviously the new filter. You can see the difference. Obviously this filter is doing its job because it's keeping all those debris, bugs and whatever outside, not letting them go through the intake into your engine. So I highly recommend to check your air filter. If you don't know when was the last time replaced, just go ahead and order it and replace it. Not all the filters would get as dirty, you know, it depends where you're driving your car and on the car and this and that. So, but a lot of times when you like spread these fins open, you can see all the debris and stuff, the sand and all other stuff that, you know, the filter will pick up while driving your car. Clogged air filter may cause some issues with the engine running, so because it may not be getting enough air. So definitely that's one of the things that you should keep an eye on and definitely do it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.